Welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to draw a super adorable little rabbit. And yes, it's very easy. Say hello to our fluffy friend, Raffy the rabbit. Raffy may be small, but trust me, he has a big dream. Mostly about carrots, like to hop around, wiggle his ears, and pretend he's a superhero. Super fun. So grab your pencil, relax, and let's hop into the cuteness together. Ready? Let's draw our little rabbit one cute line at a time. And Raffy the rabbit always thought he was too tiny to do anything special. One day, he decided to practice smile in the mirror, and his smile was so cute that all the animals come to see him. They told him, Raffy, you don't need to be a big. You are already amazing. So Raffy learned that even the smallest bunny can bring the biggest happiness. Yes. And we are done, guys. Look at our adorable little rabbit. Is not he the cutest fluffy ball ever? Yes. Of course he is. If you like this drawing with me today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun and easy drawings, and share it with your friends so they can draw Raffy too. Okay? I see you in the next video. Keep smiling till then. Keep creating till then. Keep drawing. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.